Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a look at one of the new features coming up in the October 2018 update. And it's one of my favorite actually, and it's the Your Phone experience. So basically, this is a way of connecting or having a way to connect your smartphone with your PC, and it's really cool because it simplifies the way that you can actually share pictures. You can also receive text messages and send text messages through your phone through the Windows 10 PC. So this is where it is. You actually have, so here you see some of the pictures that I've already synchronized. You have my Galaxy S9 Plus on the upper left side. You see I'm in the photos section. There's also the messages, which is in preview right now. So you see here, I've got the PayPal security code that received much earlier today. And we have a code and a message from somebody that is in my contact. Now, if, to give you an example, I take a picture, and I'll take a picture of just outside here, the tree that's starting to have the fall colors. So I just take a picture. Here we go. And now it's in, of course, my it's in my gallery on my phone. So what happens is if I refresh right here at the top, it's contacting my phone. It has to be in the same Wi-Fi network. And at some point, you will see that the refresh is actually going to bring the new picture into view. Here we go. So here we go. The refresh for today gives me that picture that I just took a couple of minutes ago. And you can see here, you can have it full screen. Here we go. This is the picture I just took not even 10 seconds ago. So this is really cool because it's such an easy way to have a picture, save your picture, send pictures that you have on your phone through somebody else in Windows. It's just an amazing feature. I love it, and I think that the your photo experience is really, really nice, and that's in Windows 10 October 2018 update, a new feature coming up. It works with the iPhone and it works with the Android phones, but it seems to do a lot more on the Android phone than the iPhone right now, and I think it has to do with the permissions of how you can handle the device itself. So it will work with any phone that is with Android 7 or later. So you have to be at least Marshmallow to actually work, and an amazing feature. I just love it. It's just so cool to be able to. I'm going to take a picture here of another picture just to show you guys of my laptop that I'm using to actually do these pictures right now. So here's a picture of the laptop, and so now that's in my gallery of pictures. If I actually refresh the recent photos, it's going to actually want to add that picture to. Here we go. You've got a picture of my laptop that I'm using right now to do this, and you see even that I'm taking the picture right now. So it's kind of cool. This is a very, very nice feature, and really, really love it, and it's an easy way to really share pictures. It will do more as time goes by because they're going to add capabilities to it. There's talk of a lot more possibilities with your phone, and it's very, very cool. All you have to do is link your phone, and then after that just add the your phone companion possibility to the Android phone or the iOS to your iPhone, and see what actually happens. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.